Have you ever wondered if you could make money using AI without needing advanced skills? In today's video, I'll reveal a unique and effective method to earn money online in a simple way. This is something that anyone can do, whether you're a beginner or already experienced. Stay tuned to discover this promising approach. Today, the demand for logo design for businesses, personal brands, and startups is immense. However, not everyone has the skills or the time to design their own logos. This presents a great opportunity for you to create a steady income by offering this service. Two popular platforms where you can register to offer these services are Fiverr and Upwork. Creating an account on these platforms is completely free and gives you access to thousands of potential clients worldwide. When I searched for the keyword logo on Fiverr, I found hundreds of gigs offering logo design services with various styles and price ranges. This shows that there is a huge demand for this service. When I click on any gig on Fiverr, there are dozens of orders in the queue. This shows that the demand is very high. With a starting price of $15, you can offer a service package that includes a high-quality modern logo, a vector file, and a printable file. For those who are not skilled in design, offering this basic package is sufficient. For those who are more skilled, higher-tier packages with higher prices can be offered. I have no design experience, so when I start offering this service, I will create a basic package and price it between $5 and $10. I copied this seller's service package, meaning that to sell, I need to provide the buyer with an image, a vector file, and a printable file. With leading image generation AIs today such as Midjourney, Ideogram, Flux, and Leonardo AI, creating a logo is very easy. However, we don't get a vector file from these AIs. A vector file is a type of graphic file that uses mathematical equations to create shapes, making it scalable without losing quality. Common vector formats include SVG, AI, and EPS. And when you offer a logo design service, having a vector file is essential. And fortunately, today, I discovered an AI capable of providing vector files. I'll share it with you right now. First, go to the website recraft.ai. This is a powerful AI tool that can help you create vector files, something that many other image generation AIs cannot do. Each day, this AI gives you 50 free credits to use. If you run out, you can upgrade to a higher plan for continued access. And now we will try creating an image. Click on the image button. Copy this prompt into the prompt box. Next, we choose the vector art. This is the model for creating vector files, which is what we need. And then we click on the Recraft button. After a while, this is the final result. Amazing, isn't it? If you are satisfied with the result, you can click on the Export button. Choose SVG, that is the vector file format. Click Save. Now we have a vector file. The next step is to sign up and describe your services on freelancer platforms. You can do it yourself, right? That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss any future AI money-making tips.